G'day guys, Matty Mac here with the AusAffiliate.com. Just wanted to touch on a couple of things on spamming your link all over Facebook. On my group, there is a lot of people just blatantly spamming their link. If you do want to advertise on this group, you must be a member. You can do so, or if you want to do a 24-hour pinned post, by all means, you can contact me and do that one as well. But just looking at some other groups, I just wanted to draw some attention to some stuff. There is a blatant link here. So Richard's shared his first post. So he's obviously new to affiliate marketing and just going onto as many groups as possible and spamming a link. Now, this particular one is on rental cars and has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. So why is he posting it on a Clickbank reseller group? I don't know. It's awfully the wrong place to do it, as well as the wrong way to do it. So jumping back to affiliate marketing, how we can do it. Remember, we want to gather email addresses and build our mailing list. This is the essence of our business. And then be able to retarget to those people. So we need to stay in a particular niche. So if it is car rental and travel and that sort of thing, we need to be building the email list on that subject, which is fine. But what we don't want to do is just go and spam the link. For one, no one in this group is going to click on rental cars because it's got nothing to do with it. For two, the link, when you do click on it, goes through to a shitty Google site's website, a free website. If you wanted to do it this way, you would set up a niche website, and on that website you would have a load of good, valuable information on car rental. You would have blog posts on, the best tips on car rentals and things like that, how not to get caught out by car rental companies, and good information. For two, you would want a dedicated website, which is so easy to set up. If you are a member, there's a whole bunch of resources that will show you how to set up a good niche website. So you would have that. And the third reason you would do that is Google will capture that traffic and they will send organic traffic to your niche website. So you don't need to spam links. It will naturally gain traffic links. And the third one, it just links through to this Discover Cars as an affiliate. So if you do want to be an affiliate for this sort of a company, working backwards, how do you get people to click on your link? You have good information for people traveling, people that want to rent cars. How do you capture the people that want to rent cars? You've got good information, good content about tips and tricks on car rentals. You could have the best companies, the best frequent flyer mileage perks, all that sort of thing. But just by blatantly slamming your link on a group that has nothing to do with it isn't going to get you anywhere. So again, join the group if you want tips and tricks. If you do become a member, it's only $19 to become a member. There's a whole bunch of information that you can get. How to do it properly, how to generate traffic, extra training, heaps of it, extra tools to use, all of that. So this is $19 and it's a one-off payment. There's no reoccurring, no nothing. And you get future upgrades as well. So anything new that I come across, I will put on there. It's yours. So don't just keep dropping your links. If it's on this group, I'm just going to keep deleting them. Unless you're a member, then you can advertise. But otherwise, join the group, learn how to do it the proper way, start building your list. That's the only way to succeed in affiliate marketing. Thanks, guys.